Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So today is not a recipe video, plan to do something different. So this is an illustration made by my sister as she is pursuing her diploma in FD, that's fashion designing. So here are some of her work. Actually, this is just an illustration of how she gave the color to the design. We'll surely share the sketching video soon. This was somehow shooted by her and sent it to me. So I just loved it and plan to share with you all. So hope you all like it. Keep watching. We'll be surely sharing her Instagram account in the description box and also the institute from where she's pursuing her course, and the link will be in the description box and on my Instagram account too. Next video will be surely sharing the colors and the materials she used for her sketching and the illustration work, the coloring and all. Also, don't forget to check out some of her works at the end of the video. They are just amazing. And this is the final touch-up she gave, and here's the result. I wish I could just wear it right now. So also sharing some of her work, some of her designs. So hope you all like them. If you like them, please let me know in the comment section below, just to encourage her. And this was her winning design as she entered a contest. That was an online contest on Instagram by Ladies Planet. That's at Perindalmanna, Kerala. And thanks to all for supporting. So here comes an end to the video. Hope you all like the designs. If you like the designs, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.